Welcome everybody to the live video. Welcome everybody. Hello. It's been a while. Today I'll be giving a new 2024 delay refund update. I thank you all for watching, you guys. It's been a while. Now, for those of you who stayed in, I'm gonna announce the giveaway again. Hopefully this person who followed all the rules and the guidelines of the drawing will be able to get the $50 gift card. It's going to take up to 30 days to receive it. You got to follow all the instructions. You got to comment under this video and let me know, okay? Are you the name displayed? And I'll tell you what to do. You got to follow all the rules and the guidelines to get this drawing, okay? All right, I had announced 3 winners, you guys, but nobody has responded, and I always give you 3 days to respond after I give the name of the winner, okay? All right, you guys, I'm trying to share this out on my social media site, so if you have any questions, you guys, make sure you drop them down right now. Let me see. I seen somebody else had some questions. Let me look down. It was somebody had some earlier. Don't know what happened to them, but I know there was some comments. Okay. All right. Thought I seen some comments down in the comment section. Okay, you guys, again, for those of you joining me, I will be giving the live drawing away and after later on during this video, but I'm gonna be giving a new tax refund update. So thank you guys for joining. Okay, it's been a minute. But I'm so glad and thankful that you decided to join. So if you have any questions, comments, make sure you drop them down in the comment box and I'll try to get back to you. Right now, I thought I seen somebody, Ernest, had a question, but it's not showing down in that display box, so I can't see it. Okay, for those of you who watched the replay of this video, if you comment after this video, I'll get back to you as soon as I can, okay? All right, what I want to share with you today is most people who have been receiving their refunds, been receiving them on Wednesdays, but it can be other dates, but you all know this. And like 2 or 3 people let me know that they received their refunds. So for those of you who did receive your refunds, whether it was yesterday or last week, congratulations on that, you guys, okay? For those of you, let me see, Ernest had said something earlier about he received a 290. I know I remember seeing it. So what I'm going to do, I'm going into my code, transcript codes, you guys, back to it. Let me see, 290. He said that he received 290 code and a 0. Okay, additional tax. Releases freezes for 842 1090. Just a minute, I'm scrolling. Additional tax as a result of adjustment. So it looks like it's got a lot under that, like a freeze code, math error, different stuff. Taxpayer penalty under this when I'm looking at the codes. Ernest, if you're watching, it's like an adjustment. So let me know. And it's got with 0 amount of TC29X with priority code will post a freeze module. So it's an adjustment to your return. They must be reviewing it some more, Ernest, okay? I know you had it down here the comments, so I'll get back to you later. Okay, what I'm going to do is, you guys, for those of you, some of you who had delays, I'm going to go over this. Some of you had delays. The IRS has not received your wage documents, and you told me that you received a notice. Some of you said you received a notice because your employer did not report information regarding your W-2. So the IRS has got you on hold, you guys. So make sure I would do is contact your employer to see what's going on and make sure that they put in the right Social Security number and everything, you guys, so that they'll be able to finish processing your tax return. There's so many people that are talking about they have delays because of the wage documents. the IRS have not received their wage documents, and that's why they're still waiting. So make sure you contact your employer and see what's going on and see what the holdup is, and make sure that they put in your correct Social Security number so you can get your refund back, okay? All right. Now, I'm going to go to the taxpayer advocate, and why I'm going here is because they have a lot of information on their site. For those of you who are telling me that you're being rejected, some of you are telling me you're being rejected. They're adjusting the date on your transcript. A good many people experience that after tax season, saying that they're moving their stuff on their transcript and the numbers back and forth. You guys, so patiently wait for them to update it on your transcript, okay? Even though it changes. Sometimes they need more time, so they will give you a code on your transcript. You guys, and then the next week it'll adjust, the IRS adjusts it, and then they have to make sure that they fix it on their end, so they'll give you a new transcript code, okay? All right, you guys, but I want to make sure that I talk to you guys about this taxpayer advocate, and the reason why I'm sharing this with you guys is because a lot of information is on their website, okay, to help you regarding this. So that's why I'm screen sharing. I like screen share. If it goes off, stay with me and I'll come back on. Okay, I have had problems in the past with this. So I'm going to go with a larger screen, you guys, okay? So I'm going to remove this. And what I'm going to do, I might just full screen. Just take me off of there. So y'all can see. You can turn your phone to the side, okay? Hopefully you can still see me, okay? So what I'm going to do is I'm on the Taxpayer Advocate Service site. I have the link. Yeah, I have the link so that you can go here so you can get information. Again, the reason why I'm sharing this with you guys on the Taxpayer Advocate site is because they got a lot of information that people don't know. Okay, they're your voice at the IRS. How can we help you? Okay, did you get a notice from the IRS? A lot of you have still been asking me about these notices. I have a playlist on my channel with the different letters and the different notices that if you go to that with the letters, you guys, review letters, and it's a lot of information on that playlist that'll help you. But some of the notices, if you will go to the Taxpayer Advocate and go put in search right here, then you'll find information about that notice, okay? For instance, CP 504, okay? Let me look at CP 12, okay? I'm going to show you guys with the CP 12. Hopefully this changes on the screen. If not, I had to go back out and put it on the screen. Let me make sure y'all can see it. Okay, y'all can see it. You see on the screen, it got notice CP12. It means a math error resulting in overpayment. Okay, you see that? It's got taxpayer roadmap. Okay. Hopefully this changes as well. Okay, I was trying to get it to, yeah, this is the roadmap. A lot of you have asked me about the roadmap, and that's why I want to share with you guys the roadmap of CP12. See notice details when you click on it. It got a lot of information on here. So I'm waiting till the screens change. Give me a minute, you guys. Okay, notice overview. Let me see if you can see it. Okay. Turn your phone to the side, you guys, so you can see this information. It says the IRS corrected one or more mistakes on your tax return. A CP12 notice is sent when the IRS corrects one or more mistakes on your tax return, which either result in a different refund amount or in an overpayment when you thought you owed. This notice or letter may include additional topics that have not yet been covered here. Also, you can check the frequently asked question on irs.gov, okay? What does this mean to me? The IRS received your individual income tax return. The amount of your refund has now been adjusted. So you see, a CP12 notice is issued when there are mistakes on your return that require correction and an original refund amount is changed. How did I get here? Okay, I'm going to go over that quickly. You submitted your income tax return with one or more mistakes that needed to be corrected. As a result, the refund amount is different from the one you expected, or you have a refund when you thought you owed money or had even a balance. What are the next steps? They tell you all this, okay? Review the notice and compare the IRS changes to the information on your tax return. To find out what caused your tax return to change, contact the IRS at the toll-free number listed on the top right corner of your notice. Okay, it gives you a lot of information if you go to the Taxpayer Advocate site, and they are there to help you. That's one reason that I wanted to share this with y'all, okay? Let me see if I can go back. And let me see if there are any questions. Okay, it went to a security check. So I'm going to go back to the Taxpayer Advocate. Okay, let me see. How are you doing today? Okay, just a minute. Let me go out of here. Big Goat Bostic. Big Goat Bostic. Hey, how are you? How are you doing today? This is my first time catching you live. Could you tell me how long it would take for a check to be mailed to me if it was sent out today? They usually tell you, Big Goat Bostic, if you go to Where's My Refund, they mail you out a check. They usually tell you the time frame on where is my refund on IRS.gov. Okay, they usually tell you how long it takes. Usually 20 to 30 days. Okay, 20 to 30 days. Now, if it was rejected by the IRS, you guys, and sent back, and then you have to get it, sometimes it takes up to 10 business days. Okay, so depending on that, I would say up to 20 days. Okay, Big Goat Boston. But they usually have all the information when they tell you about the check if you're not selected. So some people do not select the check. They select direct deposit and it gets rejected and gets sent back to IRS. So that's why I'm telling you, it may be up to 10 days and it could be up to 20. But you can check where is my refund on IRS.gov, and they'll tell you that on there. Okay, Big Goat Boston. Okay, hopefully that helps you. Yes, mama. Yes, mama, it was rejected. Just a minute. I like to put it on the screen. Okay. Yes, mama, it was rejected, and my Where's My Refund hasn't updated. Oh, yes, the Where's My Refund after tax season, and sometimes during tax season, it doesn't update. So I would say up to 20 days if it's mailed out. Okay? Up to 20 days, Big Bostic. Okay? Because that's what I've been seeing other people who had theirs. Okay? So that's why I'm saying it. Okay? Could be less than that. All right? Any more questions? Okay, let me add this back, what I was saying. The Taxpayer Advocate on here. And a lot of people been asking me about, okay, you can always go to, you see these, search for your notice CP 504, it tells you information. Notice CP 12, notice CP 14. Now you can find this information on this Taxpayer Advocate site, and you can find it on IRS.gov, but it gives you more detail on here, so that's why I went here to share this information with you. If you have any more questions, feel free to put it down in the box, okay? The chat box. Okay, back to the Taxpayer Advocate. The roadmap. A lot of people have been asking me about the roadmap. Now, if you go there, it'll show you stuff about collections. Let me see. I was trying to actually go to tax return processing. Okay, yeah, the tax return processing. See, this is the processing station. Return is accepted for processing. Refund claim, you go here. You guys, let me make sure it's on the screen so you can see that, because people have been asking me about this roadmap. When your tax return is processing, okay, it's accepted by the IRS. It goes through the different steps. Refund claim, okay, identity theft, because they're going to be checking for that. Identity verification, okay. So if it's not verified, they're gonna go down here, okay. You see the letters, different letters. Return, process, and stop. A notice is issued. If not, if it's verified, it's gonna keep going. Yes. Were errors found on the return? No. So IRS post the return. It goes through different steps, you guys. If it was errors, then you're going to get a letter 12C, or you're going to get some kind of notice telling you guys, regarding that you might need to provide more information to the IRS, and you got to give them information as proof. Or else they're going to adjust that CP12 letter. They're going to adjust your tax return. Because a lot of people, I'm sharing this with you guys because a lot of people want to know about the roadmap. If you want to know the roadmap of what the process the IRS goes through, you can go to the taxpayer advocate and it helps you, okay? A lot of people ask me about this, and that's why I'm sharing this. It's totally different from any other stuff that I done shared on my channel, okay, regarding this. So for those of you asking about the roadmap, this is a good way to find out information. All right. For those of you wanting to know about okay, this is why a lot of you who are just not joining me, you're wondering why you're held up. It had your tax return has mistakes, is missing information, and suspicious activity by banks, and the banks are rejecting it, okay? And some of you, if they reject it, instead of being direct deposit, a while ago I was telling you that they're sending you a check out by mail. And I was telling Big Goat Bostic a while ago when he was in the chat that it can take up to 20 days. Now, if they send it back to the IRS is notified and they mail it out. It can't take up to 10 days. However, if they have to adjust your tax return and they mail you out a check, then it takes up to 20 days. So make sure, if you can, to check where's my refund again, for those of you who don't know, okay? So this will help you, all right? Hopefully all this information, you guys, that I've been sharing with you helps you, okay? All right. It tells you more of what to do with the mistakes. Sometimes you just have to wait. You can contact the IRS. You guys, if they send you a notice, sometimes they want you to wait up to 60 days before contacting them. Make sure that you send in all the information that they are requesting, if they are requesting. However, you got the letter CP05, they might not be asking you for any information. Okay, you just have to wait to an update. However, you can reach out. I've been telling people you can reach out to the taxpayer advocate or your taxpayer preparer. You can call the 1-800 number from the IRS, the taxpayer advocate, or contact your state congressman. Okay, let me see. It said, yes, ma'am, my refund was returned from Green Dot Bank back in March because I had to close my account and get a new one. I got a code 846 last week. So that's good. At least you did get an 846, letting you know that, you're getting a refund. So congratulations on that. And hopefully you will get your refund soon, okay? All right, you guys, I'm going to put on my glass so I can see. Sometimes I have a problem reading, seeing stuff that's on the screen, okay? All right. Thank you for letting me know that, Big Goat Bostic, okay? All right. Are there any more questions? Again, I had shared about, you guys, tax season is coming up in less than 4 months. So I want to let you guys know that. For those of you who are getting ready, prepared, make sure you join my group, Dr. Linda Likely's Where's My Refund group on Facebook. You find me on there, you guys, and be added to the group where I share helpful information, especially during tax season as well. Also, don't forget, for those of you who complete tax returns on your own, you guys, that I have this available in my store. How to get a bigger refund legally. People have already ordered it, but I'm sharing it on the screen in case you want to get this to help you during tax season. Okay, the new tax season coming up, and it's coming up fast, you guys. So I'm sharing this information while I got it on the screen. And also I got the tax planner, which I've been sharing in the groups, helping people plan for tax season 2025. All right, let me see what the comment. Okay, you welcome. When I come back in your live, I need to hear your song. Oh, you want to hear it? You want to hear it? Okay, let me see. I'll play it for you. If you want to hear it now, since you already got the 846 code, I'll play it for you now. A lot of people like this song. Okay. Okay, a lot of people. I'm sorry. Other people are trying to claim this song. Can you believe that? And it belongs to me. Facebook saying somebody owns this music. Facebook, look, did belong to me. Original content, okay? Been playing this since the beginning of tax season. It belongs to me. Ownership. Don't know who trying to claim it, but they don't own it. All right, can you hear it? Let me turn it up. It is not loud enough today. I'm glad you like it, okay? Congratulations on your 846 code, okay? Hopefully you heard it. Congratulations again. Okay, so you didn't have to wait. I went ahead and played it for you, okay? Look forward to you getting it. Let me know, okay, when you do get it, okay? You can comment under this video to let me know. Now, again, you guys, tax season 2024 is coming up, you guys. So for those of you who want to join my group, don't forget, you can join my group on Facebook. It's other people on there as well already. You go there, you guys, and then just request to get in the group to help you during tax season. I give out more information. I already got a lot of information on there. Those of you who join my memberships, some people have already started joining my memberships because right now it's slow, but y'all know during tax season there'll be a lot of people on my channel, thousands of people asking questions, you guys, during tax season. So if you're not a part of my membership, make sure you do, because I'm going to be dropping that tax code, you guys, the new tax code. The people who are wanting to know about the new tax laws and everything, those people will have access to this information, those of you who are in memberships, okay? Now, what I'm trying to put on the screen, any more questions, you guys, while I'm dropping all this information? Okay. Let me put this on the screen real quick too, before I announce the winner of the drawing again, okay? Let me go off the screen. Okay, tax season starts January 2nd. Pre-season with me, for those of you who are interested. A lot of people doing tax season said that this tax season they may want to get me the one coming up January 2nd. I will have the pre-season loans will be available, you guys. You can schedule the appointment at live.faceta.com/site/BuyGraceTax. Also, my number is 1-833-608-0018. That's the customer service. To contact me, info@buygracetax.com. For those of you who may owe, you guys, the IRS 3,000 or more, I also have tax specialists that I'm partnering with that'll help you guys who owe that, okay, to help you with taxes. You have to schedule an appointment on the live portal with that as well. For those of you who want to know more information about Buy Grace Tax Services, you can go to my Facebook page. You can Google Buy Grace Tax Services LLC. You can actually Google Dr. Linda Likely, because people have been coming to me asking me about that, my background. You can go to Dr. Linda Likely on Google, see all my social media sites. You can see my podcast. You can see my academy where I work with tax preparers, you guys. And you can even, if you don't put in Dr. Linda Likely, you can put in Linda Likely books and see all my books, okay? So for those of you who want information, you go to LinkedIn too, because people want to know my skills and stuff. Okay, you can go on LinkedIn as well and connect with me and see all the stuff I did. I do a lot. Okay, for those of you who have questions, because believe me, people be questioning. I'm found on Google. All right, let's see. You're welcome. You're welcome. Okay. All right. Now, what I'm going to go to right now, let me go to this. I still have the people in this drawing that I've been keeping the names in this drawing because I draw 2 names in the, well, 3 names. Somebody do not want this card. 3 names I have drawn out of here. So I'm going to have to take the people out of here, the names that already have been chosen. So I can't pull the same person name again, okay, because they didn't claim the prize last time. But I do have them in this basket, okay? I do have them in the basket. What I'm going to do is play some music, not that same music. Maybe some, let me see. Last time I played rock and roll. Okay. So what I do is I shake it up. I'm shaking it up. You guys, y'all like rock and roll? Let me take it off here. Put on the whole screen. Well, you can't see me, just a part of the screen. Uh-oh, somebody's name fell out. All right, these are the people who entered this drawing out of tax season, and nobody claimed this $50 gift card, okay? It's up to 30 days that you receive it, but you got to claim it. You have up to 3 days to claim this prize, okay? But the person name I draw, and I always put it over my head. Make sure I don't have the same person name draw last time. Okay, we have a new winner. So what I'm going to do is put it in the chat box, okay? You got to respond within 3 days, okay? If you don't respond to me in 3 days and you don't follow all the rules, you got to be located in the United States. You got to comment under this video. You cannot comment on Instagram or anywhere else, because somebody tried to do that with my first winner, tried to take his little card and claim it. And I'm not going to put up with it, you guys, okay? You got to follow all the rules to be able to claim this prize. So let me put in this, and hopefully you're located in the United States and you have a United States address. This person did not have a name, but I do have the channel, and I kept up with this, you guys. So I write down all the people who are listed in my drawing. Even though I got this cut out and to pick the name, I have a list of what video y'all commented, so I know, okay? For those of you who be trying to say, try to take other people's money, I do everything for a reason. Okay. This is the person's, let me see the winner. Let me put the winner that has to claim the $50 gift card. Okay, this is the channel I'm putting on there. Hold on. I'm going to get it right out the wire, y'all. Okay. Wait a minute. Okay, I was wondering, it keep doing it. Okay. It keeps doing it. So I was wondering what was going on. And the winner is of the $50 gift card. Okay, is it letting me add the banner? Okay, I'm trying to add the banner. Oh, is it frozen? Let me see. Okay, council got one. Okay, the winner is... Ta-da! The winner that has to claim that $50 gift card is the user, and I put it, somebody didn't have a name on their channel. This is just the channel name, user, all of that, okay? So this person did put in hashtag refund on tax season. You have up to 3 days to claim this prize. And then you got to follow the instruction. You must be located within the United States, because I have to have a mailing address for you, because this is an actual card. It's not a virtual card. It is an actual card. So I have to mail it out to you. These are the reason why I'm doing this, because I want to make sure that you are within the United States. Okay, you guys. So make sure that you comment under this video, and congratulations to you. Okay, congratulations to the winner of the drawing. Hopefully you will claim your $50 gift card, because so far the last 3 people did not claim it. If they don't claim it, I'm gonna have to wait and do another winner. Okay, I know a lot of people would not be mad at that. Okay, congratulations again, you guys. Tax season is coming up. Any questions on January the 2nd? Any questions for me? All right, if you don't have any questions, then make sure if you have it after this video, you guys, then you can after this video, and I'll get back to you as soon as I can. And I hope you guys, all of you, get your refund soon. Okay, y'all have a great day.